Hey there, fellow dino lovers. If you're as excited about dinosaurs as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button below to join our Dino Action Figures community. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video and leave us a comment to let us know which dinosaur is your favorite. Your support keeps our dino adventures going strong. Now let's dive back into the prehistoric world together. Stay curious and keep roaring. Velociraptor Charlie was a small but mighty dinosaur that lived during the Late Cretaceous period around 75 million years ago. It was about the size of a turkey, but don't let its small size fool you. Velociraptor Charlie had some fascinating features. Here's a fun fact about Velociraptor Charlie. It had sharp curved claws on its hind legs that it used for hunting and capturing its prey. These claws were like built-in weapons, perfect for catching smaller dinosaurs and even small mammals. Another interesting thing about Velociraptor Charlie, just like some birds today, Velociraptor Charlie had feathers that helped it stay warm, regulate its body temperature, and maybe even impress other dinosaurs. Herrerasaurus was one of the earliest dinosaurs that lived about 230 million years ago during the late Triassic period. Herrerasaurus, it had sharp teeth and claws that it used for hunting and capturing its prey. With its strong jaws, Herrerasaurus could tear into the flesh of other dinosaurs, making it a powerful predator. Another interesting thing about Herrerasaurus is that it had a long tail and strong hind legs. This helped it move quickly and balance itself while chasing after its prey. Herrerasaurus was a fast and agile dinosaur. Did you know that Herrerasaurus was one of the earliest known dinosaurs? It lived even before some of the well-known dinosaurs like T-Rex and Triceratops. Microceratus was a small herbivorous dinosaur that lived during the Late Cretaceous period, about 75 million years ago. Microceratus. It had a unique frill on its head, which was made up of bony plates. This frill might have been used for display or to attract mates. It made Microceratus look even more special. Another interesting thing about Microceratus is that it had a beak-like mouth with rows of small teeth. It used these teeth to munch on plants and leaves. Microceratus was a peaceful herbivore, enjoying its leafy meals. Did you know that Microceratus was a small dinosaur? About the size of a dog? It walked on two legs and had a long tail that helped it maintain balance while moving around. Ankylosaurus was a massive dinosaur that lived during the Late Cretaceous period, about 66 million years ago. Ankylosaurus. It had a heavily armored body covered in bony plates called osteoderms. These plates acted like a shield, protecting Ankylosaurus from predators. It was like having natural armor. Another interesting thing about Ankylosaurus is that it had a massive club-like tail. This tail was made up of bony knobs and spikes, which it could swing like a giant hammer. Ankylosaurus used its tail as a powerful weapon to defend itself against predators. Did you know that Ankylosaurus had a low, wide body and short, sturdy legs? This made it look like a walking tank. It moved slowly, but with its strong body and defensive features, Ankylosaurus was a tough dinosaur to mess with. Majungasaurus was a fearsome meat-eating dinosaur that lived during the Late Cretaceous period, about 70 million years ago. It had sharp, serrated teeth that were perfect for tearing through the flesh of its prey. Majungasaurus was a skilled hunter and could take down other dinosaurs with its powerful jaws. Another interesting thing about Majungasaurus is that it had short, stubby arms compared to its body size. Although its arms weren't very useful for hunting, Majungasaurus relied on its strong legs and jaws to catch its meals. It was a fierce and agile predator. Did you know that Majungasaurus was a cannibal? That means it would sometimes eat other members of its own species. This behavior is quite rare among dinosaurs and adds an extra level of intrigue to Majungasaurus' story. Compsognathus. It was about the size of a chicken, making it one of the tiniest dinosaurs ever discovered. Despite its small size, Compsognathus was a quick and agile hunter. Another interesting thing about Compsognathus is that it had a long, slender body and a long tail. It used its light frame and speedy legs to catch small prey like insects and lizards. Compsognathus was like a little dinosaur sprinter. Pteranodon was not a dinosaur but a flying reptile called a pterosaur. It lived during the Late Cretaceous period, about 75 million years ago. Here's a fun fact about Pteranodon. It had an enormous wingspan which could reach up to 30 feet, 9 meters wide. That's like having a set of giant wings that stretched across a room. Pteranodon was a champion in the skies. Another fascinating thing about Pteranodon is that it had a crest on its head. This crest was made of bone and could be different shapes and sizes depending on the species. Some scientists think that the crest might have been used for attracting mates or for display purposes. Did you know that Pteranodon was a skilled flyer? It could soar through the air using its powerful wings and catch fish from the water's surface. Protoceratops was a small plant-eating dinosaur that lived during the Late Cretaceous period, about 71 million years ago. It had a beak-like mouth and a unique frill, which was a bony structure at the back of its head. This frill may have helped protect Protoceratops from predators, like a shield. Another interesting thing about Protoceratops is that it lived in groups, just like some animals do today. These groups could have provided protection and helped them find food together. Protoceratops was a social dinosaur. Did you know that Protoceratops had a special feature called a parrot-like beak? This beak helped it grab and bite into plants to eat. Suchomimus was a large carnivorous dinosaur that lived during the early Cretaceous period, about 93 million years ago. It had a long, slender snout filled with sharp teeth. This snout was perfect for catching fish, which was its favorite food. Suchomimus was like a dinosaur fisherman. Another fascinating thing about Suchomimus is that it had long, clawed arms. It could use these arms to grab prey or defend itself from other dinosaurs. Suchomimus was like a dinosaur with built-in weapons. Did you know that Suchomimus had a sail-like structure on its back? This sail was made of long spines sticking up, and scientists believe it might have helped regulate its body temperature or attract mates. Suchomimus was like a dinosaur with its own fancy sail. Atrociraptor was a small carnivorous dinosaur that lived during the Late Cretaceous period, about 75 million years ago. Let's uncover some incredible facts about this speedy predator. Here's a fun fact about Atrociraptor. It had sharp, curved claws on its hands and feet. These claws were perfect for grabbing onto prey or climbing trees. Atrociraptor was like a dinosaur acrobat. Another fascinating thing about Atrociraptor is that it had a long, slender body and strong legs. This helped it run very fast, just like a cheetah. Atrociraptor was a dinosaur built for speed. Did you know that Atrociraptor was a member of the raptor family, just like the famous Velociraptor? It had a similar body shape and was part of a group of intelligent dinosaurs. Atrociraptor was like a clever little hunter. Scientists believe it might have had colors like brown, gray, or even some stripes. These colors could have helped it blend into its surroundings or hide from other dinosaurs while hunting. Imagine coming across an Atrociraptor with its sharp claws, swift running skills, and clever mind. It would be like encountering a pint-sized dinosaur ninja. Although Atrociraptor is extinct, its fossils teach us so much about the incredible diversity of prehistoric predators. If you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Remember to hit that like button if you had a roaring good time, and let us know your favorite dinosaur in the comments below. We love hearing from our fellow dino enthusiasts. See you, thank you.